Hello everybody and welcome to the Summon Wealth YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be talking about the top 3 best free screen recording tools. Now, what qualifies these free screen recording tools is they have no watermarks, so you're not going to see any XYZ screen recording tool down here in the corner. And another qualifier. I can't speak English. Let me try that again. Another qualifier in these tools, in order for them to make this list, is that they have to have unlimited screen time. So they're not going to be freemium products that say it's free, install free, and you can record up to 10 minutes, and then you have to pay $10 a month to record up to 20 minutes, and you have to pay $30 a month to record after 30 minutes, and yada yada yada. I do not want that in my free screen recording tools. I want to be able to record more than 10 minutes because that is what YouTube likes. YouTube likes the videos to be at least 10 minutes. And so that is why I do not record top screen recording software like Screencastify and one of these other tools, because I do not like the fact that they are not allowing me to go more than 10 minutes. So, without further ado, I always say further ado. Without further ado, let us continue to the top 3, in my opinion, best free recording tools. Now, the first one I'm going to talk about is Open Broadcast Studio. Now, this is an amazing tool, extremely powerful tool. It's designed for gamers to live stream their games. That's what it was made to do. And so if you want to do a live stream video for your YouTube channel, you can do that with OBS. And what I don't like about OBS is that it is not the most user-friendly of tools. I tried using it and I could not figure out how to get it to record my screen. This is why I'm not using it right now, and this is why I don't use OBS. However, because it is such a popular tool, and because it is such a great and powerful tool, you can find plenty of tutorials on how to use it, and it's not going to take much to learn how to use OBS. I'll admit I am watching a lot of other tool tutorials and courses on how to make money online and how to build an online business, and I don't want to have to watch videos on how to use screen recording software like OBS Studio, and so I lost patience with it, and that's why I don't use it. But if you watch enough tutorials on it, and if you want to use OBS, it is a very powerful tool, and even though I don't like its lack of ease of use, I would recommend it for its many, many features and its many, many uses, because OBS Studio is a highly recommended tool by many YouTubers and many video gamers out there for a good reason. And of course, it's free. There are no watermarks and there are no screen recording limits. So that is OBS Studio. The next one on my list is Freecam. Now, what's nice about Freecam is that it lets you record what you want. So if you only want them to see a tiny corner of your screen, you can tell Freecam to only record a tiny corner of your screen. So that is 1 plus in favor of Freecam. Another thing I like about Freecam is that they have an option to highlight your mouse. Now, I'm not using Freecam right now, I confess, even though it's a great tool and I like it. So that's why my mouse is not highlighted. But you can highlight your mouse and so that you can wave your mouse around and let people see where your mouse is going more easily. And another big plus to Freecam is that you can edit your videos. It has a very, very easy to use video editing software that it will send you to as soon as you are done recording your video. You can edit the audio, you can trim it, you can remove background noise, and I like to remove my ums and ahs when I'm recording videos with Freecam, and so this is why I like to use Freecam and why I recommend Freecam. Why I'm not using Freecam right now, and why I don't like Freecam, is that they do not record in 1080p. The highest they will go is 720p. So that is a downside because when you're making videos, you prefer to have it in 1080p, and this is why free screen recording software is not recommended by most YouTubers, which is a downside to using free software because most of the free software unfortunately only goes up to 720p, which is not good when you are wanting to make quality YouTube videos. So that is why I'm not using Freecam right now. But because it has this recording and editing software, I highly recommend Freecam for use. The only problem I have with it is that it does not record in 1080p. Now, let's talk about the program I am using right now. The program I'm using right now is RecordRTC. Now, RecordRTC is an open source program, and so it is completely free. It's not going to have any watermarks. It's not going to have any limits to how far you can go. And you can use it to record your screen, you can record your voice, you can record your camera. I don't have that on right now because I am using an old Dell XPS that has the webcam on the bottom, and none of you want to see that angle because that's a really bad angle to recording videos. One of these days I'll get a new computer with the webcam on the top, or I'll buy a webcam and I'll attach it to this computer, one of those things. And then I can start recording my face, but until then, all you'll be hearing is my lovely voice. But RecordRTC is a Chrome extension. I have the page open right here. As I understand it, the Chrome Web Store does not like to have its screen recorded, so I'm not going to click on it because that might cancel my recording or something, and the last thing I want to do is restart, so I'm not going to click on that. But there is the Chrome Web Store page for RecordRTC. It claims to be available on Firefox, Opera, Edge, and Safari. Now, I don't use Edge or Safari, so I can't tell you anything about that. Besides, the Edge one only records audio, and the Safari one only records audio and video anyway, so if you're doing a screen recorder, you don't want that. But I have only been able to find it on Google Chrome. I have looked for it on Firefox, and I have looked for it on Opera, and I have not been able to find it. So if any of you can tell me how to get it on Firefox or Opera, I would appreciate it greatly because I prefer using Firefox over Google Chrome. Google Chrome and I have not gotten along very well before, so if I can use this on Firefox, I would rather use this on Firefox. If anyone can let me know how to install RecordRTC on Firefox, I would be much appreciated. So, to recap, the top 3 best screen recording tools, in my opinion, are Open Broadcast Studio, even though it's not the easiest to use, but it is a powerful tool and it has a lot of features in it. Freecam is easy to use, but it only records in 720p. Is that what it's? 720p? Yeah. And the one I'm using right now, which I would click up here to let you see what happens when you click on it, but that would cancel my video, so I'm not going to do that. RecordRTC is the one I'm using right now. It is my favorite screen recorder. And so, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment in the description. Tell me what your favorite screen recorders are, paid or unpaid, and subscribe for my channel. Stay tuned, as I will give you more product reviews, more tips on how to grow an online revenue, online income, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!